divide 89 by 2. So here we divide 89 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 4 mean 8. On subtracting we got 0. And now this 0 is less than 2. So we bring down the number beside this 9 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 4 mean 8. On subtracting we got 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal. So we keep here 0. So now it became 10. So 2 times 5 mean 10. On subtracting we got 0. So 89 divided by 2 we got 44 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.